Hey, it seems like it's very hard to actually get traffic to your website. Now, dealing with that can be insane. It can actually hurt your head, and we don't need any of that. My name is Luke Brooks. I'm going to show you the 13 ways to actually get traffic to your product. May not be a website, maybe a product that you're trying to do or a service that you're trying to offer, but I'm going to show you. Stay tuned. This is Passive Income Central with your host, Mr. Luke Evan Brooks, and I'm going to show you how to actually get traffic to your website using these 13 ways. Now, it may be true that some of you may be like, well, if I build it, they will come. That's not necessarily true. At the end of the day, you have to have a solution. You ever have people that come to you before where they just constantly have problems, but they never have solutions? As an entrepreneur, you have to have the ability to provide a solution to your customers. In order for them to have that, you have to know where they're at. They're like a congregation. You need to know where these folks are hanging at. One of the places that you can go to that people tend to forget is forum posts. You can go to Reddit, you can go to Quora, you can go to Pinterest, you can go to any forum that they have on the web, and you can actually look, comment, and just basically be part of the conversation. Now, am I saying you go ahead and post your links in there? No, I'm not. Now, what I'm saying is that you want to be able to provide value in those posts. You want to be able to react to people in the posts, and you really want to build up that rapport where people see you. Now, you need to do this just for a few days. Once you do this, and people see that, hey, this person's a regular, they've been coming, they've been providing help, you can actually get people's trust, and then you can start providing your link. That's when and only when you can actually do that. You know, it takes a while to build a relationship, but that's the best way to do that instead of you just spamming your link in there. I've seen that in many groups where people just post their link in and no one goes to it, and then they actually get kicked out, kicked out of the group or whatever they may be in. I see so many times that people actually just put useless content. They put something that's very offensive, something that really doesn't help that. When you're talking to members in a forum, this is real life, it's a group, it's a conversation. It's just like how I'm talking to you right now. I'm not sitting here throwing all these pictures and things like that because that'd be very annoying. You want to be able to have a real rapport with people. And that's what it is to have a customer, to build rapport so they see where you're coming from, that they can trust you, and that they will buy from you not just one time, but for a lifetime. Number two, another way that you can actually make valuable content where people can come to your site is to post articles. When you're posting articles, a lot of people can look anywhere. I use WordPress, for example, and a lot of people come to my WordPress articles and comment, like, and follow me. And it's just you giving content. Now, there are other places you can go to. You can go to Easy In Articles. You can go to Go Articles. You can go to Article Base. You can go to Article Dashboard or Idea Marketers. And of course, this is very straightforward. Now, the strategy behind the articles is simple. Yes, there's tons of people posting articles and things like that, but once you backlink your articles into directories, all the directories that you can get into, you can really, really do some stuff. Now, typically, if you have 100 directories that send only 10%, takes about 5 hours. You're wasting 4 hours of your time. The same 4 hours you can use to submit, say, another 4 articles to a site that'll bring you to the most traffic. Tactic right there could be actually quadruple your traffic volume. You could be working smarter, not harder. But there are typical directories that you can actually go to that will push all your stuff out there. I use Pingler, I use Pingomatic, and there are other ones out there. You can actually go to Fiverr if you need to. If you really just say, hey, I need you to backlink this, and they can backlink this to your site, to your article very quickly. It's all about trying to just get that exposure where people can look for you on the web. The things that you need to take in consideration when dealing with your article is that the article title needs to match what you're talking about. It needs to be a jab point. Not to say, oh, a jab. When I mean a jab, I'm talking about like you punching to someone, you're reaching to someone. And then your content of your article needs to be solid, it needs to be useful information. It's nothing about just sales. You want to be able to talk to people where they can relate. It can be entertaining. It can also be infotainment, where you're giving information now, giving them tips, but you're also entertaining, because a lot of people are not going to be sitting here for too long. If it's reading like a dry book, they're not going to do that. And, if this is coming from someone else and you're bringing it in there, please give them credit. Do not do anything that's copyright where you can get in trouble and they just lock up your account or wherever you're using. You want to be useful with that. Okay, so it comes down to having your articles read to the readers that really like your stuff, that they know who you are. That's the main objective behind that. And of course, it's not the end all to be all. There's much, much more that you need to provide that you can give to folks here. So be careful of that. If you don't know where to get articles, that you can just do PLRs and just type in ebooks, and you can get some of those articles right there and just making your own, publish your license rights. You can basically get those items and just incorporate it into your WordPress or wherever you want to have it at, and then just give it as guides. Give it to people for free. Use it as a lead magnet. Let people actually see what you have, because at the end of the day, you're not getting in trouble for that. Now, there are other ones that I want to go over, but that's going to be the next series. If you're serious about what I put out that I currently have, please go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel. Give us a thumbs up, comment. Now, next time, I'm going to talk about some other great things of traffic. Now, we only went over 2 of them, and I want to make sure that you absorb all this material. And this is going to be a series right here. I want you to be aware that we're going to show you how to get the traffic in all those right places. But we're going to talk about Twitter. We're going to talk about Facebook. We're going to talk about video marketing. We're going to talk about social marketing and book marketing. I'm going to show you a lot of things and other things incorporating with trying to get people to buy from you and your products. Again, please go ahead and get my free course that I have. It's down below. Just go ahead and click on that, and you can actually get access to my free course. And also, there's other links providing you with books and material that's actually free that can help you get your business started. If you currently already have a business, this is some of the things that I use to help accelerate my business and help me get to my sales point every single month. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Again, my name is Mr. Luke F. Brooks. I see you on the other side. Take care.